Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the greatest marketing channel on YouTube. Today we're going to be going over the SEO keyword research for 2020. And as always, please like and subscribe. I have some absolute amazing, mind-blowing content coming up here in the very near future. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to stop plugging myself right now and let's jump into it. Alright guys, I'm not going to jump into all the aspects of on-page SEO because this video is about keywords and finding the correct keywords so your article or blog will rank. What I'm about to show you is to get Google, yes Google, to give us the exact keywords that we need to have in our blogs and articles to rank for the search term we want to rank for. Before we get started guys, if you're new to SEO, I want to give you a couple free keyword tools. I personally use SEMrush for all my keyword needs, PPC, all that, and I use Ahrefs for the back end as far as backlinks, page authority, domain authority, and yada yada. So if you don't feel like spending several $100s a month on some websites, this is your next best. First one up here is Neil Patel's Ubersuggest. I'm not a huge fan of Neil Patel, honestly, but the tool's not horrible. It's not bad for what it is. Next tool here is Keyword Shitter. Actually been using this a long time. Big fan. They're really good at generating negative keyword lists also if you're running a PPC like a Google Ads campaign. Next up is lsigraph.com. This used to actually be 100% free, but now it's a paid version and a free. The free will get you the job done. And finally, answerthepublic.com. You type in your keyword and it will shoot you back a ton of questions. This is great for trying to get into the mind of what your prospect or potential customer or fan will be typing into Google, hence what you might want to rank for. So guys, enough of that. This is what we're going to want to do. You are going to head over to cloud.google.com/national tag language. The link will be in the description below. Next, we're going to head over to Google here and we're going to type in the search term that we want to rank for. So for an example, I want to type in what is digital marketing. So our search results are back and our first one up here is what is digital marketing by HubSpot. Let's head down. Digital marketing made simple, step-by-step guide by Neil Patel. Digital marketing in Wikipedia. Guys, I forgot to tell you, Wikipedia is another great place to find keywords. Moving along. What is digital marketing? Overview resources. Keto. What is digital marketing? A visual summary. Smart insights. Okay, you guys get the gist. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the top 10 organic listings off of Google. Now I'm over here at HubSpot, which was the #1 organic listing for what is digital marketing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire article. So I've highlighted the entire article and I'm going to head over here, back over to Google Natural Language API. And what we're going to do is scroll down here to try the API. And we are going to paste that entire article in and analyze. So while it's thinking about this, is what it's using is it's going to find all the important keywords that are in that article that Google deemed relevant. It's going to give it a score on a possible 1 of how important that keyword is. So we have our results back and I'm going to show you how to interpret the data here. What we're going to do is we're going to want to scroll down here to our entities and you're going to want to look at the keywords that are reds and the blues. Okay, these are keywords that Google deems very relevant to what is digital marketing. So we have customers, people, marketer, business, company. Okay, look at the keyword density. We have customers, marketers again, business owners, conversions. We have countries. Okay, we have campaigns. We have blog posts. We have SEO. We have PR. We have PPC. We have affiliate marketing. All right, and it goes through and it's analyzed this entire article. But if you come down here, what's really awesome is down here at the bottom. All right, if we can get down there all the way. Here we go. All right, now, so you can see here, it's given a salient score of the possible one that I talked about earlier. So what I would do is I would go through these keywords right here, and they're not only keywords, but there's also subject matters that you could be talking about. You can see they're talking about PPC and SEO and digital marketing. They're talking about inbound. They're talking about content. They're talking about marketers. They're talking about a journey, which I'm sure would be a customer journey. Talking about a marketing strategy. They're talking about other companies like HubSpot, which I'm sure, blog post, brands. Okay, what I would do is you're going to go through the top 5 to 10 organic listings on Google and do this, and you'll start to see similarities that your article needs to have, but also things that one article has and another one doesn't, which would be great for you to have in your article, right? So you also get to see things that doesn't have, that should have, and things that you need to have to rank in your article. What is absolutely amazing and mind-blowing is we are actually getting our data from Google themselves. That's all I have for you guys. Please make sure you like, give me a thumbs up. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs down. If you hated it, please subscribe. It would help me out a lot. And best of luck to you next time.